Not only do we provide the what we call the swing machine for intraday trading, we also use the swing machine to screen for stocks. And you're probably saying, oh yeah, what's the big deal? I use moving averages. I can build a screen. Well, this doesn't use moving averages, and moving averages don't work, and nothing is as dynamic as the swing machine. And let me just show you some real-time results, and we'll sort them. This is the S&P 500, and this is our trade purse. So of the top, we'll just pick the top 30. We'll come down here and show you the top 30 if you'd like. But the top 30 stocks, you can see we're positioned long. We have one short, Regeneron. That's up just 90 days ago. If you had put in 100 shares long or 100 shares short, this is how much you would be up. This is the entry price, this is the entry time, this is the entry date, and then this also gives us the definitive trend. And you can see just how good Stock Market Caddy is. If you want to see the entire, I'll be happy to show you. I'll scroll down and we'll page down. And you notice that, yes, we're long and profitable, but look at how we're also picking out the shorts. I say we, how Stock Market Caddy is picking out the shorts. So we're going to scroll down and we'll sort this another few ways, but it's going to show you. You can see the trade purse. We're all green. It tells you whether you want to be long, whether you want to be short, whether it's ripping against the short. So for instance here, this rip, this means that it's short, it's up, but the price is ripping up against the short. And if that fails, it'll become a long. Whereas this one here was long and it's now dipping and it's still profitable. And if that fails, it'll become a short. And then they also light up white and tell you the actual entry day. Or in some instances, if you go from a dip to a long again, it'll give you a long re-entry or a short re-entry. So it's very much what we call decision-making software. And we're still scrolling and scrolling. Okay, so at this point here, out of 500 stocks, the S&P, 451 are profitable. This one right here is not. We've only been in it for 2 days. These that are yellow, the only reason they're yellow is they're either entering today or they're just perfectly flat. And then our losing stocks are, so right here, out of 500, 464 are either profitable or flat. And then the remainder, yes, we do have some drawdowns, and our worst drawdown out of 502 is $450. And we can scroll this back up, and we can see, well, I was going to sort these. We sort them any number of ways, the most recent. And then, let me bring this back up. And then we also provide the dynamic support and resistance levels. So when your stock like Boeing is extended and it might be time to sell some covered calls. Folks, I'm Bagadon at StockMarketCaddy.com. I'm not a broker, not a financial advisor. We don't make specific recommendations to buy or sell anything. We developed a Stock Market Caddy more than 15 years ago. It's a proprietary algorithmic system that we use to trade our own money each and every day, each and every week. We approach it the same way. We can trade stocks, we can trade ETFs, we can trade futures. We used to say that we could trade butterfly wings. Now we say that we can trade Bitcoin. No, no opinion on Bitcoin, but we can trade it, and we can trade just about anything. Is the message. If this approach to the markets resonates with you, feel free to check us out. I'm Bagadon at StockMarketCaddy.com. dot com.